Hi students, problem number 14. A beam of ordinary unpolarized light passes through a tourmaline crystal C1 and then it passes through another tourmaline crystal C2 which is oriented such that its principal plane is parallel to that of C2. This is the first part of the numerical problem. You can look at this diagram. So, two crystals made up of tourmaline C1 and C2 are kept such that their planes are parallel to each other. That means they are indirectly giving that the optical axis of C1 and C2, they are parallel to each other. So what will happen when unpolarized light? So here unpolarized light passes through the crystal C1. So it becomes polarized. So here the light gets polarized and the intensity of the polarized light which is transmitted out of the first crystal is I0. Understand? When the second crystal C2 is placed such that its optic axis is held parallel to that of the first one, then the same intensity only. So this will be the transmitted light, isn't it? So in the first case, this only is the transmitted light's intensity. It will also have the same intensity I0. That is in the first case. Now what is given next? The intensity of the emergent light is I0. Okay, the intensity of the emergent light, the transmitted light is I0. Okay, next C2 is rotated by 60 degree about this ray. Then the emergent ray will have an intensity is the question. That is the second part of the problem. Look at this picture, all of you. So here the first crystal C1 is held at rest. So that the intensity of light coming out of C1 is still I0 only. But the second crystal is rotated. It is rotated through how much degree is given? 60 degree. So that the optical axis of the second crystal C2 makes 60 degree with the optic axis of the first crystal. Now, if intensity is IT is the intensity of the transmitted light. What is its value is the question. So, which law has to be applied here is Malus law. Okay. So, from Malus law, the intensity of the transmitted light is equal to the I0 into cos square theta. Okay. So, here theta is 60 degree. So, this is equal to I0 into cos 60 the whole square. So, this is equal to I0 into cos 60 is 1 by 2 the whole square. So, this is equal to I0 by 4. Therefore, the intensity of the transmitted light is equal to I0 by 4 is the correct answer. So, now you see the options. Option C is I0 by 4. So, option C is the correct answer. Okay. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Very simple problem, but the sentences given here is very lengthy. You have to read till you understand. Okay. Quickly we cannot do the problem. But still it is very easy. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.